Hello guys and welcome to this review about Movylo. Are you guys tired of losing customers after your first sale? Then this might be the secret weapon for your business that needs to turn on one-time buyers into loyal regular ones. It is a marketing automation platform designed specifically for small businesses. If you run a bigger business, you don't need it, but it's for a local store, local service, a service business, or even an online shop. It helps you drive repeated sales without needing to be a marketing expert. I have logged in actually, and let me go through the process right here. Once customers sign up, Autopilot keeps them engaged and coming back without extra work. You see 3k more repeated sales. Here are the things you can choose from. Let's say website. For example, you can connect the website right here, share the sign up page and use QR codes and flyers. Facebook, Google, turn searches into customers, for example, so you can connect the Google search account, import contacts, mail and paste. Let's skip it for now and let's go into the program. Click on continue. If you don't turn on the Autopilot, your service will not grow. Let's click on continue. Let's say yes, of course. Here we are guys on the dashboard, and as you can see, I got a plan for 30 days right now. But what to do now? Start signing up customers. So here's an info page, for example. I have not filled this in right now. If you fill this in, there will be a info page. The validate coupons, assign loyalty points, for example. Enter the loyalty code or last name or phone number or email and you can assign the points. We got 3 levels for customers engagement. For example, the customer list, they can be reached via email, SMS and app. Level 2 for engagement and level 3 for sales. If we do, for example, close more sales, they got a booking module, sell online, upload products and download app. Let's say sell online, get paid, pay on delivery, etc. And you can enter this actually. But let's go over. Here is, for example, a loyalty program. My loyalty program is active. Here you can enter, for example, how much loyalty points they got by buying something from your website, and you can also assign it to your customers and they can also use it, for example, for discounts. You got products, you can import even the products right here. You got different kinds of categories, you can categorize your own product. Here you can feature any product you want, and here are promotions. On here you can do actually everything. Send a newsletter to your customers, share a post, schedule a post, create a flyer, campaign scheduler and also Autopilot. This will do everything for you. The preferences, there's a store checkout, how it looks, the store appearance and also the info page, the settings, everything you can see right in here. Then you have report, for example, customer reports, how many will follow, how many are mail, followed via the app, have loyalty points, verified customers. You can see a lot of things right here actually. I would say it is great for the smaller business to use if you get in handy, but I would advise to just contact them to help you out set it up. To be fair, because it's not that great for a dashboard, I would say to set it up. I would advise to ask someone from their support team to help you set it up. But if it is set up, it is greatly working, I would say, and it really helps your shop. And then you have a great overview. You can automate marketing with it. You can build a customer list with it, loyalty program tools to keep your customers to get back, coupon and promotion creation. It's mobile friendly CRM system. As you can see right here, they have their own app. So that is actually great. A lot of these tools don't have their own CRM system, and mainly you have to pay for it like separately, but here it is included. That saves a lot of cost. They have a analytic dashboard. That is great, I would say. You got an account, your own business, and the languages. It is available in English, Italian and Spanish. But they might not have deep customization for large enterprise, but that is because it is focused on the smaller business. For the more local business, I would say it is great. I would not use it for e-commerce, but if you got like something on the corner, like a bakery, it would work really well. Salons, restaurants, gyms, it would be great program for this. My conclusion, Movylo is a smart hands-off tool for growing small businesses like salons, restaurants, gyms. And if you want to build a loyal customer base and send consistent marketing without lifting a finger and automate it, then I would say this is for you, and it helps you bringing your customer back to your store. That is it. I will put down a link in the description. It is an affiliate link, but if you help it, you would help me out.